Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a 10-minute yoga practice to prepare you to start your day off fresh. We'll rise and shine with the sun, and I'm ready to get started. Charlie's ready, and I hope you are too. I'm going to meet you back here. Grab your mat and let's go. So we're going to start today in a standing position. Ground the feet evenly into the floor. Feet can be hips width apart, maybe a little closer or a little bit farther apart. And then take the hands to heart center at prayer position. Press the thumbs into the sternum. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Maybe close down the eyes for a couple breaths here, just mindfully tuning in. Noticing the breath as it travels in and out of the body. Notice where the feet connect with the ground, with the earth beneath you. Feel that connection as you root down into the earth. Maybe bring some awareness to any thoughts that are traveling across your mind this morning. And just watching these thoughts as they come and go, not tacking weight into the thoughts, just being with the thoughts. No need to change anything. Please know you've landed exactly where you need to be. And take another breath or two right here just for you. A deep breath in and a deep breath out. When you're ready, gently open the eyes. You can shake out the wrist a little bit. We're going to move here. So finding a little flow on our mat this morning. Let's take a big full breath in. Sweep the arms up and overhead. Exhale, soften, release down. Let's do that again. We're going to sweep the arms high to the sky. Grab the right wrist with the left hand and then fold over to the left. A little side body stretch. You might look up under the right armpit. Drop that. Second side, left hand, right wrist, fold over, opposite way. As always, if I go one way and you go the other, it's cool. We just balance it all out. No pressure here. Go ahead and inhale, sweep the arms, really draw the hands up to the sky. Exhale, cactus the arms to open the chest. Yeah, we got two more of these. Inhale, bring it up, squeeze the shoulders up. Exhale, drop it down, cactus the arms, open the heart. In breath up. Exhale. Nice job. Go ahead and just drop those hands down by the sides. Let's take our swimmer's arms. Just find an opening here in the chest. Nice rotations through the shoulders. Your range of motion. As always, we don't force anything here. We are 2 more circles in this direction whenever you're ready. Deepen the breath if you can. Reverse, opposite way. Open up. Say good morning. Hello. Happy day today. Let's do 2 more times. And this will be our last one. Wherever you are, give it a little wiggle, a little shake out. So good. Go ahead and step to the top of your mat. We're going to meet in mountain pose again. So press the feet evenly into the earth. And then we're going to find a forward fold. So hinging at the waistline, maybe even place the hands on the hips as you just feel here for the hip bones. And then we're going to start to sink the hips back, push the hips back, bend through the knees, and then start to allow the weight of the head to relax towards the earth. Hands might touch the earth, they might not. See if it feels okay to take the feet wide, maybe hips width apart, and then start to find a little movement here, just gently rocking side to side. You could bend one knee as you straighten the other, just see what feels good for you. You could take ragdoll, so clasping opposite elbows, continuing that gentle sway. Another option would be to interlace the fingers and gently put them on the back of the head. Now we're not pulling or yanking or forcing anything. Sometimes I feel like a little bit of weight here It does feel nice with gravity and control. Then we're here for 3, 2, 1. Gently release whatever bind you took with the hands. We're going to tuck the chin in towards the chest and make your way slowly back towards mountain position. Nice and gentle. Let's sweep the arms when you get to the top. In breath, bring the arms high to the sky. Out breath, release. Maybe swan dive down. Sink the hips back. Release fingertips as you fold back into your forward fold. Shake head yes and no. Again, inviting any movements that serve you now. Let's take the hands to the shins for a halfway lift. In breath, link through the spine, looking straight down, straighten the legs. Out breath, forward fold, soften and bow. Inhale, root to rise. We float the arms, tall mountain, pull that energy up. Exhale, draw hands to heart center, prayer position. Inhale, bring it up, tall mountain, find your flow. Exhale, soften and bow forward, hinging at the waistline. Fingertips drop to the earth, hands to shins. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, bow down, plant the palms on the earth, step the right foot back. Maybe find a little stretch here. And then we're going to take the left foot back to meet the right. Find yourself in plank pose. Make that connection here. Hips are low. Nice. Maybe rock forward and back here. So good. You can always drop to the knees for 3, 2, 1. Everybody drops to the knees and then belly draws all the way down to the earth. Take the fingers wide here. So really widen your fingers. Mine are tinted. You can't see that. But we're going to take a little heart opener. So on an in-breath, bring it up. Out breath, fold down. 2 more of these. Inhale. And exhale, fold. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Plant the palms underneath the shoulders. Tuck the toes under. Sink the hips back. Child's pose. Nice, beautiful stretch for the hips, the whole body. You could drop the forehead to the earth. Maybe massage the third eye, rocking head side to side. Revisit the breath. So the toes are tucked under. Let's make our way into down dog. Any way it takes to get there. Go ahead and start to straighten through the legs. And when you get there, pedal out the feet. Let's take the hips nice and high. So working towards a V shape with the body. And then find your stillness. Everybody take a look forward. Nice slow tiptoe to the top. We meet again in Uttanasana, forward fold. Hands to shins. Inhale, halfway lift. Look out, lengthen. Exhale, bow forward, soften here. Inhale, sweep the arms high to the sky for tall mountain. Bring it up. Exhale, drop hands to heart center, prayer position. Just notice how you feel. Breathe. Find some quiet time. Just checking on my time here. Nice. Let's take the feet wide. Get into the hips a little bit here. And then from here, take the arms wide as well. And we're going to find a little twist. So find a rotation side to side. See what feels good for you now. You might flex the hands up towards the sky. So the fingertips flex towards the sky. If you're like, I don't know what you're talking about, go ahead and take a look at your screen real fast. Thanks for 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and lower both hands down to the side. Let's go ahead and keep the feet wide here. Hands can be on the waistline. See what feels good for your lower body. Take a big breath in, a big breath out. Hinge forward halfway. Stay here or extend one or both arms out like you're holding a beach ball. Nice. Breathe. In breath, grow a little bit taller in those fingertips. Out breath, fold down, forward fold. So my feet are wide. Breathe here, shake head yes and no. If you love a little twist in this pose, you can drop one hand in front of the face. We can sweep the other hand high to the sky and lower it down. How about the other side? We'll take a big full breath in as you twist to the opposite side. And exhale, let that go. Whew. Hands to the hips, slowly roll up with the chin tucked to the chest. Nice job. Take star pose, extend the arms high to the sky, spread the fingers, take up all the space in the room you possibly can. Big breath in. Big breath out, send those hands to the hips, heel to the feet in, or you could hop it in. Nice job. We're gonna finish up here in mountain pose. Press the thumbs into the sternum and just notice how you feel. Notice if your energy's shifted a little bit from the beginning of practice. And make the decision about how you want to move on with your day. And just know this invitation for calm and peace can be just a mindful breath or two away. And that's why we practice this beautiful gift of yoga, is so that we can harness this magic of yoga both on and off our mats. So from my heart to yours, I thank you so much for practicing with me and sharing this gift with the rest of the world. So this self-care practice a little goes a long, long way. We'll bring the thumbs up towards the third eye if that feels comfortable for you, and an invitation to gently bow the head forward and whisper the word namaste. Namaste. Thank you so much. Great job today. Big applause to you. So just 10 minutes or even a shorter practice really can do a lot for your mind, your body, and your soul. So I applaud you for being here, taking the time out of your morning to get on your mat and just get that done. So good job. And if we've not met yet, thank you so much for checking on this video, pressing play, and staying to the end. My name's Emily. I'm a yoga teacher, a registered nurse, a wellness professional. You can connect with me online. My website is emilydaugherty.com. Information in the show notes. And if you go to my website and have interest, I do have a little handout for you. It's an 11-page ebook that I wrote, and it's a beginner's guide to yoga. So we touch base on mindfulness, breathing techniques, physical postures such as asana, and a whole lot more. So go ahead and grab that. And I would love for you to like, subscribe, and definitely share these videos with a friend who would find value in them. And keep up the good work. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you.